Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. If you are new to the channel, this channel provides a lot of products review, specifically footwear design, and sometimes I will sneak in a couple clothing pieces that I think they are interesting to share with you guys. And I always include few different looks to give you guys ideas how to style them. In this video, I'm gonna do a quick review on this new model from Vans UltraRange VR3. I think they do pretty good job on the improvements from their traditional iconic design. I salute Vans that they willing to take risks, try some other new model too, not just depend on their iconic Vans model. First, when I see this design on their webpage, I really think this shoes is kind of trendy model because they have the characteristic of the that shoe. You know, that shoes was very popular and still kind of popular now. That's why they create their own version to get part of the pie in the market. I guess the pricing on these shoes though is $125. However, the functionality performance of these shoes is pretty good. You know, it's very comfortable and lightweight. I feel like I can stand all day with these shoes compared to the iconic heritage design. Those shoes, yes, it will be comfortable, but after a couple wear, the foam from the insole is gonna worn out and it's not gonna feel that much cushioning when you wear them. Sizing on this though, I would recommend people to go half a size up. If you go for your true size from other brands, you're gonna end up doesn't have enough room around the toe area. The toe area is a little bit narrow, so for those who have wide feet, then yes, go half a size up for your flexibility, comforts around the toe box area. And the material upper on these shoes though is pretty much they use recycled material and the textile as well. I think in my opinion, I don't really care about sustainable material that they use on the products. You know, sustainable material products to me, if you are really into saving the planet, then you should invest on high quality leather products, because those high quality leather products will last you more than a decade if you are taking good care of them. So you're not going to end up consuming so many products. You know, fast fashion come with slow problem. If you want to know more about their sustainable products, they have the QR code inside of the footbed for you to read more about their sustainable products. The upper on these shoes is the mixture between textile and synthetic leather. I like how the designer connect the whole theme together, from the mesh texture that they have the hexagon pattern connected to the checkerboard texture in the tongue and around the collar of the shoe. Overall, I think the shoes upper is okay, but I still stick with the classic Vans model for sure. In the midsole, they also have that checkerboard texture, again inspired from that Vans global logo sustainable products. And around the toe area, they still keep that iconic diamond texture from the iconic model. And also in the back of these outsole toolings, they have that Vans up the wall text. It works well on the vulcanized construction. That makes sense when they place that Vans up the wall text between the vulcanized brick to reinforce that vulcanized in the midsole. So that make more sense. This one don't make sense and it's feel forced. And go to the outsole pattern, they have the hexagon and waffle pattern. They got inspired from the traditional iconic Vans model. And in the middle of these outsole toolings, they have the VR3 cush. And go to the lining of the shoes though, they have gusset tongue, so keep the tongue in place. Unlike the traditional Vans model, the tongue keep moving side to side. So you can see whoever designed this, they learned from their past iconic design, they improve it on this new model. But it's just so many detail that I think is unnecessary. Like this logo sustainable product from Vans, they put it in the back of the heel counter. I think you can take that off because we already have that tongue tag global sustainable products in the tongue already. Why you have to put it in the heel counter? And also this Vans woven label on the eye stay, you can take them out too and make it look much cleaner because you have a big text in the tongue already. And this jazzy line is the signature of Vans. When you look at it, you already know it's Vans product. And in the back of the webbing pole, I think this webbing pole is kind of over exaggerated, overkill. The thickness of this webbing pole, this is the low top version. You don't need this thick and big webbing pole in the back of the heel counter. Hey, it is what it is. It's just my kind of nitpick on the detail wise, because as you guys already know, if you follow me through my YouTube channel, I'm very nitpick on some like design detail. So it's just me, so don't take it personal, you know. Me, I'm only one person. There's a 7 billion people on the planet. And styling with these shoes though, I don't know what you wear with these shoes because this is definitely not my type of style shoe. I think that is the reason why I bought the shoes in black color. So black color is very easy for me to swallow. And up next, I'm gonna share with you guys how I would like to style them. So there you go, what you think about this Vans UltraRange VR3. I know I criticize Vans a lot. You know, this is not my first time I criticize Vans new model, but in the end of the day, I still appreciate Vans new model because they are willing to take risks. And if you like one of the look in this video, give me a thumb up and comment below in the comment section what you think about this new Vans model. And subscribe to my channel for more video. I have a lot of video coming up every single week and I can't wait to share with you guys. I'm out.